Hello everybody, my name is Dean DeWolf, and today we are gonna be doing the Rubik's Cube. Oh yes, the Rubik's Cube. Yes sirree, we can solve it. No, we can't. Okay, so you guys really enjoy the Rubik's Cube, and guess what? For you guys, I'm gonna say this right now. If we get up to 20 likes, I'm gonna do a challenge for you guys. So if we get up to 20 likes, get your boy up to 20 likes for one of my videos, and then I can start to worry about the challenge, whatever I'm gonna do. And yes, sirree. And we only got one more color left. Okay, this is a problem. Can I do that way? Okay, I think I got a plan. I need to do that. I need to do that. Okay. So, I only got one more. Ya boy. Let's go. I'm just concentrating, you guys, so move that up there. Stupid. Oh! I hope I didn't break it. Okay, you guys, I didn't break it. Okay, I thought I did, but I didn't. Okay, you guys. So, we are back at the Rubik's Cube. Yes, we are. And, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Okay. I only got one more color left. And it's the trickiest one. Okay, I'll just put that down. You know what? I'll forget the white. Let me try a different color. I'll do the green for you guys. I mean, who doesn't like green? I mean, I don't. We almost got two colors, and one time I did do two colors, but not on camera. So, what you gotta do for that is it's kind of like this. You make an H, and then you make a green side. So, look, there's green, and there's the I or the H, whatever you guys want. So, yeah, my YouTube's been going pretty good. Very well. And, yeah. That's all I'm saying. Okay, I move that there, and then I move that. No, I was gonna say something. Okay, I'm wearing all gray today, as you see, you guys. I'm wearing my gray gray shorts. If you guys can see, gray shorts and a shirt. I'm wearing gray today. Okay. If you guys want to see more of this, I'm gonna make a series of this, which I am. I'm gonna create a playlist, and for you guys to watch all the time. And oh, that sun's bright. Oh. I'm just concentrating right now. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. Okay, if that goes no. I think I need to turn this. Put it around. Do it like that, and then do it like, ah, crap. And I'm gonna make a series of the Rubik's Cube. I'm kind of like an 80s fan. Like, I listen to MJ. I play this. And, yeah, I'm kind of like an 80s guy. Why am I doing white again? I don't know why. Okay, let me try yellow this time for you guys. Okay, yellow. Let me get down with the yellow. Do 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 do. Green. Okay, we're starting to get a little bit of the green too, so that's very, very good. Okay, let me move this. Wait a minute, hold on. What happens if I move this down? Okay, no. What happens if I move that up? Okay, no. 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 Pretty close though. I made a rhyme. Okay, I'm gonna try yellow or green. I don't know. Because I got white, green, and yellow. Like, I'm getting 3 sides. There's... Here, I'm gonna zoom in. There's green. And there's yellow. Like, for you guys, if we get up to 20 likes, I'm gonna try to do a challenge for you guys. Like, so get this video up to 20 likes. And maybe everyone else my video. We're almost up to 300 subscribers. I mean, that is nuts. Okay. Doing good. Starting to get a little bit of the green. Is there a middle one? I don't see a middle one. So I'm going to put that back for now. Then you move that up. Then what do you do? I don't know what I'm doing. And I'm like a Star Wars fan. I really like Star Wars. Okay, come on. I can do this. I can do this. I tried it before and I got one color. What am I doing? Okay, let me try to get a color that's down here. Is there another color? And there's not. Well, that kind of sucks. Okay, what happens if I move that down there? Is there another color that's not on the right side? Oh my god, I can't even get any colors today, but I kind of got that color. Almost did. So if I move that up, what would that mean if I... on the left side. I'm gonna move it like this. Okay, we're starting to get a little bit of white. Leave it there, and I'll put that back for now. I'm trying to get the green so hard, but it just don't want to do it. Okay, I think I have a plan. I think I have a plan to get this. So what you gotta do, you gotta move up like that. Then you gotta try to find a green. And you don't, so you gotta pull that back. Now you gotta look on the bottom. Find green. Nope. So you gotta put it back. Oh, I'm sorry guys. I'm just getting over this flu. It's a bad one. I'm saying it's a bad one. Okay, blue. Do I have 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. I'm just checking the colors because some of them are like black. Like because some of the colors were torn off of it. And yeah. I'm just trying to concentrate. Like so. This is what I got to color for now. Do I have... Yes. Oh, no. Dang it. Do we have a blue that's on the right side? No, we don't. This is starting to get very, very hard. I'm sorry that I stopped for a second because I was wondering if I was going to stop the video now, but I'll just wait until 12 minutes and then I'll stop it. It's already like almost 11. Actually, you know what? Let's get the green. Let's go. I'm going to do it fast. Just going to try to get green fast. Oh my god, we're due. Holy crap! We almost got 3 sides. 4, we almost solved it. See? Look how close your boy is. Your boy, let's go. If there's another green, I'm gonna die. I do not see a green on the right. Oh yeah, I can't speak. Okay guys, I'm gonna wrap this up pretty soon. I don't know, so you guys, I'm gonna pause it for right there, right now. I didn't get a color this time, but in the last one of the Rubik's Cube, I did last time. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and if we get 20 likes, I'm gonna do a challenge for you guys. So, if we get 20 likes on this video, then I'm gonna do a challenge for you guys. Okay, guys. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Smash that like button if we want to get 20 subscribers, not 20, not 40 or 20 likes. What am I saying? Sorry. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video likes, comments, and subscribe. You can subscribe down there, and you can look up there, or is it there? I don't know. Ow! Look over there where my previous video was. And so thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video likes, comments, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!